Good morning, everyone present over here. Today, my name is Tanishka Saini, and I am with my topic A Woman Will Never Come Equal to the Man. So, if I say woman, the woman word is used as a puppet in this India, and I can say in another country also. A woman is that thing which is for baby's birth and using for kitchen purpose. These kind of things are doing in ancient times. They are not able to dream any kind of thing. They are not able to do any kind of work. They only have a work which is related to kitchen, which is related to their household work. When I am telling about is there is any dream which any kind of woman will see, so no, the answer is no. Their steps was just inside the home. They can dream inside the home but not apply in outside world. If I am talking about for their studies, what happened to their study in that time? So in that time, they was if they want to study, then our parents collect money for boys education and for girls dowry. Yes, they are collecting money in other purpose and treat them like same. So how can we say that is it this was happened in ancient time? So what's about this time? Is there any kind of things change in nowadays? So I can say yes. The many types of thing was changes like in that time. In this time, a woman is able to dream, but under 18 because above this you are able to apply for one job which name is marriage vacancy. Yes, this was the vacancy which is empty for you and you can apply for this for women after 18. So if a woman want to wear anything she want but in home there are restriction. A woman can dream anything but in limits. A woman can go anywhere but with her parents and in daytime. And if I am telling about these kind of situation which every woman, mostly women face in her teenagers or I can say in adultness too. If I am talking about, you generally know about respected Kiran Bedi ma'am. Everyone know about her success. That how she she give effort for his work. How successive woman she is. But do you know what happened? How she studied? For her graduation, she have to cover a miles for graduation. She have to travel at night because of her education. When she travel at night, there are always creep looks are present for her. There are judgmental society was present here and some kind of cheap boys are around her which are doing body shaming with her. When she faces this kind of situation, she tells these things for her parents, family members. So they suggested her to stop her study and give some effort for kitchen work because at the end you want to marriage. There is another not another option. So what he decided? There is two options that he continue his study and she continue with her kitchen work. But what she decided? She come to her home and chopped her whole hair, and then she changed her whole outfit with boys like a boy. What happened? There is a magic behind this. So I will tell you how. There is no judgmental society was present when she changed her outfit. No boys was present who are doing body shaming with her. Cheap boys was looking at her like a cheap. So this was changed, and the society gave her a tag, brave girl, because she is wearing like a outfit like a man. I don't know why, but this is how she studied, how she traveled at night, and even while facing these kind of situation, these kind of things, the woman is always doing work. And I am telling about how and this was a woman even these kind of situation she dreamed and she work hard, and after this she's success. And that's all for today. Thank you.